Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is May 4th. We do have things starting off a little bit lower as far as the grains. Corn down 2, beans down 6, wheat about unchanged from the overnight markets, but we are seeing some more profit taking. Can we see these beans hold this 10, 18 area for July beans? Next stop, probably closer to 10 bucks if we continue to see profit taking. And then also for corn, we're getting this pullback in corn right now. We've been seeing a lot of that due to planting progress. Saw strong progress this past week. We have seen some rains across the Corn Belt, but still looking to see us next week ahead of pace. But I think more of the focus, though, on what we're getting right now is next week there is a report. We got a supply and demand report. We're going to see some big numbers. We're going to also see some big numbers as far as new crop. So first report with new crop numbers next week. And after seeing the increase in acres off that March 31st report, we're going to have to use those numbers. So once again, we're going to see some big numbers. And I think that's giving us this sense of profit taking in this pullback that we're seeing. Not only that, we've also got the dollar that has been strengthening. So yesterday it made a significant turnaround. Today, again, the dollar is higher. We're up 24 cents at this point. And if we do end up continuing to see the dollar go up, typically that means a pullback in commodities. So we'll keep an eye on that. But that is something that has made a difference when you talk about fund money, when you talk about money flow. Has it had an impact in the past? It really didn't. But we weren't seeing this money flow coming into these markets like we've seen over the past several weeks. So you've got to watch some of these triggers as far as to give you some insight on what could be happening here as we move forward. But that report going into next week, probably going to see big numbers for corn, beans, and wheat again. Would not be surprised to see us maybe pull back a little bit more and find a little more profit taken here at these points. Looking at livestock, box beef down sharply. Choice, $3.83 lower. Select down $2.94. Probably going to start things off a little negative here today once we get things restarted again at 8:30. Hogs, we saw cutout values down $1.16. We may end up seeing a little bit of a setback yet for hogs from these levels as well. Some of the outside markets, we do have the stock market pulling back another 90 points right now, almost 100 points lower today. Crude oil up 80 cents. We've got an energy report out at 9:30. And we'll see if that makes a difference here once we get going. But we do have crude oil up about 80 cents. That's after sharp declines we had saw yesterday. The dollar, as I mentioned, 24 cents higher, finding a strong recovery from what we've seen over the last several weeks. And we'll see if that does continue as well. But give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. You can reach us 800-262-7538 or on the web at Allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll chat with you again tomorrow. Take care.